Looking to supercharge your candidate sourcing process? In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Top Echelon's candidate sourcing tools to find the best candidates for your hiring needs. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to take full advantage of these tools, even if you're brand new to the platform. Top Echelon offers a variety of features tailored for recruiters and hiring professionals. First off, its candidate database allows you to search through thousands of resumes, filter by job titles, experience levels, skills, and more. This can save you time by narrowing down the pool to the most qualified candidates for your open positions. The intuitive search feature means you won't waste any time scrolling through irrelevant profiles. A standout feature of Top Echelon is its candidate matching tool. This feature uses an advanced algorithm to automatically match candidate profiles to your job openings based on keywords and qualifications. The tool is designed to make candidate sourcing faster and more efficient, eliminating manual screening and increasing your chances of finding the perfect fit. Another valuable tool in Top Echelon's toolkit is its job posting feature. This allows you to post jobs to a large network of job boards with just a few clicks. This helps expand your reach and attracts a wider pool of qualified candidates. Not only does it streamline your job distribution, but it also helps you manage multiple listings from one dashboard, so you can focus on what matters most, finding top talent. If you're looking to grow your network, Top Echelon's network feature lets you tap into a community of recruiters, which can lead to valuable referrals and connections. It's a great way to gain access to candidates who may not be actively looking, but are open to the right opportunity. This is especially useful for hard-to-fill roles or niche industries. Top Echelon also allows you to integrate with your existing applicant tracking system, ATS, making it easier to manage candidates directly within your current workflow. You won't need to toggle between different platforms. Everything stays streamlined and organized. To get started, simply create an account, and you can begin sourcing candidates immediately. For those new to the platform, Top Echelon offers a comprehensive support system, including training resources and customer service to help you navigate through the software's features. But here's something special. You can use Top Echelon completely free, thanks to our exclusive bonus linked in the description below. If you're serious about leveling up your hiring process, you won't want to miss this offer. Now, as we wrap up, remember that Top Echelon's candidate sourcing tools are a game changer for recruiters, and with our exclusive extended trial, you'll be able to explore these features fully without any commitment. So go ahead and check out the first link below to get started today. Thanks for watching.